Is trolling a game or an art?
Probably a game, because they're trying to have fun, trying to get arousal.
We started with a bit of your story, coming in here to troll, to harass, to whatever, and then that lasted a couple weeks, and then you came back in a month or so later and started to get along with people. Can you summarize a little bit of, that path? How did it progress to now? What changed over time that anchored you even more in the non-trolling category?
For me, it's more of a personal story because a lot of stuff was going on in my life at that time when I first started VRChat. Having the ability to be somewhere where you're liked, where you're enjoyed, and you can sit down and basically have a conversation with like-minded people really, really put me in the mindset of, hey, I can actually make friends and have people that are very similar to me. It's what basically got me into the fandom. People that are easy to talk to, and they have great respect for anybody and basically everybody.